See, Ben Kenobi has a lightsaber.
That came with Darth Vader. I want this one. What is this one?
You know what these guys are called?
What?
Called a Jawa.
And what is this kind name?
That's from a different movie called Buck Rogers.
Buck Rogers.
Yeah, I know. So is this. This is Buck Rogers' crazy dog, crazy robot dog.
This is the crazy. Who's this guy?
That's Lando Calrissian. You have to raise him up and say, "It works every time."
It works every time.
There you go.
That's the guy.
That's Chewbacca.
Oh. Can I put him in here?
Mm-hmm.
Max, this is a golden
You see
one.
Han Solo?
Yeah. Oh.
And then these two guys.
Good. I'm gonna be on this one.
Okay.
What is that to me?
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah. And there's other stuff too. These are princess stuff. Look at it!
Sure.
Look at it!
Oh, no, gotta keep that together, buddy. No idea what that's worth.
Look at it! Dum dum dum. Okay.
Alright, let's put them back.
Okay. We're gonna put it away.
Yep.
When are we gonna take it back out?
Sometime if you're good.
Is it a special